Quarantine is like a safety net for your koi. Imagine you bring home a new koi. It looks healthy, but it might carry tiny germs or parasites. You can't see them, and these germs can make other koi sick. A quarantine tank is a separate tank where you keep new koi for a little while. This keeps your main pond safe and gives new koi time to adjust. It's better to be safe than sorry. Quarantine protects your koi from many things. It protects against parasites, it protects against bacterial infections, and it also helps reduce stress for new koi. Quarantine is a must for all new koi. It doesn't matter where you get them. Always quarantine. Setting up a quarantine tank is easy and essential for the health of your koi. It helps to isolate new or sick fish, preventing the spread of diseases to your main pond. First, you need a tank. This tank should be separate from your main pond to ensure no cross-contamination. It should be big enough for your new koi to swim comfortably. The more space they have, the less stressed they will be. A good rule is 10 gallons of water for every inch of koi. This ensures they have enough room to move and grow. Next, you need a filter. A good filtration system is crucial for maintaining water quality. A filter keeps the water clean and removes harmful stuff like ammonia and nitrites, which can be toxic to your fish. Choose a filter that is right for the size of your tank. There are many types available, so pick one that suits your needs. You also need an air pump. This is important for oxygenating the water. Koi need air to breathe underwater, and an air pump adds extra air to the water. This is especially important in warmer weather when oxygen levels can drop. This keeps your koi happy and healthy. Proper aeration can prevent many health issues. Finally, add some hiding places. These can be simple structures that provide shelter. PVC pipes or rocks work well. They give your koi a place to retreat and feel secure. Hiding places help your koi feel safe so they can relax and adjust to their new home. This is crucial for their well-being, especially when they are new to the environment. Once your quarantine tank is set up, you can add your new koi. Now it's time to observe them closely. Look at their bodies. Do they have any unusual spots or sores? Watch how they swim. Do they swim strangely? Are they gasping for air at the surface? These could be signs of illness. Check the water quality every day. Use a water test kit. It tells you if the water is safe. Make sure the temperature is stable because sudden changes can stress your koi. Keep a logbook and write down your observations every day. This helps you track their health, so you will notice any changes quickly. Section 4. Treatment time. What to do when your koi are sick. In this section, we'll guide you through the essential steps to take when your beloved koi fish show signs of illness. Even with quarantine, your koi might get sick. It's important to stay vigilant and observe their behavior regularly. Don't worry, there are ways to help them. With the right knowledge and tools, you can nurse your koi back to health. The first step is to identify the problem. Carefully examine your koi for any unusual signs or symptoms. Look for signs of parasites. These tiny invaders can cause significant distress to your fish. Common signs are flashing, which is rubbing against surfaces, and white spots. These are clear indicators that your koi might be dealing with a parasitic infection. If you see these signs, you need to treat the water with parasite medication. Follow the dosage instructions carefully to ensure effective treatment. Bacterial infections are also common. These can be just as harmful if not treated promptly. Signs include fin rot, ulcers, and cloudy eyes. These symptoms indicate that your koi's immune system is compromised. Antibiotic treatments are available at your local fish store. Make sure to get the right type of antibiotics for the specific bacterial infection. Always follow the instructions on the medication. Incorrect usage can harm your fish more than help them. If you're unsure about the illness, consult a koi veterinarian. They have the expertise to diagnose complex issues. They can diagnose and recommend the right treatment. Professional advice can make a significant difference in the recovery of your koi. Remember, early detection is key to successful treatment. Regular monitoring and prompt action can save your koi from severe health issues. Section 5, the big move. Introducing koi to the main pond. Your koi have been in quarantine for a while, and it's crucial to ensure they are fully acclimated before making the big move. They look healthy and happy, showing no signs of stress or illness. It might be time to move them to your main pond, but don't rush it. Patience is key to a successful transition. The ideal quarantine period is at least 4 weeks. This period allows you to monitor their health closely. This gives enough time to observe for any signs of illnesses or parasites that might not be immediately visible. It also allows the koi to adjust to their new environment, reducing the risk of shock when they are finally introduced to the main pond. When it's time to move them, don't just dump them in. This can cause unnecessary stress and potential harm. Float the quarantine tank in the pond for 15 to 20 minutes. This step is crucial for temperature acclimation. This helps equalize the water temperature between the quarantine tank and the pond, preventing thermal shock. Afterwards, slowly add small amounts of pond water to the quarantine tank over an hour. This gradual process helps the koi adjust to the new water chemistry. This helps your koi get used to the pond water parameters such as pH, hardness, and other factors. Finally, gently net your koi and release them into their new home. Be gentle to avoid injuring them. Welcome them to the family. Enjoy watching your koi thrive in their new environment, bringing beauty and tranquility to your pond.